How to change cursor speed to show normal and fast on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Interaction and Dexterity. Here click on Assistant menu. After click on Assistant menu, scroll down and click on Touchpad and Cursor Control. After click on Touchpad and Cursor Control, you will see cursor speed is here. Cursor speed is here. If you want to change cursor speed, click on cursor speed. So you will see slow, normal, fast is here. If you want to change cursor speed to fast, click on fast. If you want to change cursor speed to slow, click on slow. If you want to change cursor speed to normal, click on normal. So you will change cursor speed from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change the cursor speed to slow, normal, fast on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.